Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert value into a table. Let me show you all the tables. So I will say show tables, then from web tech dv. Check all the tables. So here you can see we have a student table. Now I'm going to insert values in student table. Here I will say that select all from students. Let's check how many column we have. Here you can see we have student ID, name, email, result, and student phone. So we will insert the values, right? So how? Through the insert query. So I say insert into the table name is students and then all the column name. So the column name will be student underscore ID. All right. Then student underscore name, then student underscore email, comma student underscore result, comma student underscore phone. And we need to insert all the values. So I will say values. We need to insert them. So actually, I'm going to let's go to the new line here. Okay. And we are actually breaking the line here, let's say. And I'm going to go for the new line after comma. Okay. And here you can see we have values, and now we want to add values. So student ID is integer. Okay. So we have to use here, let's say 101. And the second one, the name. So name worker. So we have to give here a single quotation because this is string. And here I'm going to say that the name, let's say Yamin. Okay. And then email, let's say yamin at gmail.com. And then let's say result GPA 5, let's say. It's a now phone number. Phone number is also worker, right? So plus, let's say any country code. I mean country code. So let's say 880 and then space 18888, something like this. Okay. So yeah, like this, and then we have to close it through semicolon. Now, if I click on this lightning sign, you can see insert into student. So now let's check all the values from the students. So I will say here, select all from students. Okay. And here you can see we have student ID, name, email, result, and the phone number we have added. Okay.